Hello students, how are you? I am Jagat Singh Chokar welcomes you on Mathematics Zone. If you watch our channel first time, then like and subscribe it first so that you will get notification of our next videos. Now come to our topic, pair of linear equation in two variables. Friends, in the last videos we have explained elimination and substitution methods, which are the part of the algebraic methods. Now today we take the third methods of that cross multiplication method. What is the cross multiplication method and how we use this, and what is the process to simply solve this as we have discussed on it. In this way, by the value of x and y, you can apply this formula to find the cross multiplication method and find the value of x and y by this. Now take one example, two linear equation x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. First equation, x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Second equation. Now from equation 1, taking coefficient a1 equal to 1 and coefficient of y is equal to 2 and constant term is equal to minus 2. In the same second equation, the coefficient we have taken 1, minus 3 and minus 7. By the coefficient of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, by placing on the denominator of x upon 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 7, these are the coefficient of y and these are the constant term. So here is the value of x and these are the value of y. Repeat again. So when we find the value of x, then multiply 2 minus 7 minus 14 and minus 3 has and minus 3 and minus 2 having minus sign, so the multiply will be positive. 3 to just 6 and minus is in the formula here already, so minus will be as it is. So 3 to just 6 and similarly y equal to y. When find the value of y, then multiply minus 2 by 1 minus 2 and minus in the formula and then minus 7 1 ja 7 minus 7 minus minus plus plus के 7. So 7 taken here 7 positive and then 1 upon 1 multiply minus 3 minus and minus 1 2 ja 2 1 1 1 1 2 ja 2. So both are positive, both values are positive, so this is 2 will be taken negative. So what is the value? X upon minus 14 minus 6 equal to minus 20 and y equal to minus 2 plus 7, it will be positive 5. 1 upon minus 3 minus 2 equal to minus 5. So in all the cases, in the denominator minus 20, 5 and minus 5, all the values are the multiple of 5. So you can solve 1 and minus 4, or it will be taken x upon minus 20 is equal to 1 upon minus 5, and when we cross multiply, then x will be equal to minus 20 upon minus 5, minus to minus cancel and 5 4 are 20, therefore x will be 4. Similarly, when find the value of y, then 5 multiply by 1, 5 1 is 5 and then minus 5 is in the denominator, so minus 5 answer will be negative, so 5 to the 5 cancel one time and 5 equal to minus 1. So in this way you get value of x equal to 4 and y equal to 1. So this is the method, and in this method you can using cross multiplication method, and this method is very simply. Now if the question is given in the form of 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 13 and 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2, in this way we have taken 2 into 1 upon x plus 3 into 1 upon y equal to 13, and in this form 1 upon x and 1 upon y are not in the simplest form, these are the rational form. So we have taken 1 upon x equal to p, let, and similarly 1 upon y will be taken as q. The equation will be 2 into 1 upon, in place of 1 upon x taken p, plus 3 into 1 upon y is taken y q, and minus 13 will be taken negative, 13 equal to 0. 2q 2p plus 3q minus 13 equal to 0 will be the first required equation. In the similar way, the second equation will be reduced. 5 will be reduced as 5p minus 4q minus, when minus gone in the left hand side transposing, then it will be positive. So positive plus 2 equal to 0. It is the second equation. In this form, this method is called equation reducible to simplest form, the pair of linear equation into variable. Now how we solve it? 2p 3q minus 13 equal to 0, 5p minus 4q plus 2 equal to 0. Both the equations are in the simplest form, so we have used any method of this, or of the algebraic method, elimination, substitution and cross multiplication method. So we have taken cross multiplication method. So p, q and 1, taken the coefficient of q 3 minus 4 minus 13 and 2, and minus 13 to repeat again, and the value of x is 2 and 5 here. For the value of 1, these are the value of 2 and 5 are the coefficient of x. So taking the value of y 3 and minus 4, repeat again. 6 minus, and here minus plus, 13 for the 52. 4q 13 5 ja 65 minus 65 minus 2 2 ja 4, and 4 1, 2 4 ja minus 8 minus 5 3 ja 15. So what you get? P upon minus plus 6 minus 52 gives minus k 46, and q equal to minus 65 and minus k 4 minus 69, and equal to 1 upon minus 8 minus 15 equal to minus k 23. So in the denominator we have seen that all the numbers are given here, minus 23, 69 and 46. All are the multiple of 23. The 23 1 ja 23, 23 3 ja 23 2 ja, and all have negative sign, so negative will be cancelled. So you get positive value of p equal to 2, 2 1 ja 2, and q equal to 3 1 ja 3. You will get value of p and q. Now put these values in the equations. Put the value of p and q in the first 1 upon p and 1 upon x equal to p, 1 upon y equal to q in this form, and you get value of x and y. So place it. P equal to 2 equal to p equal to 1 upon x equal to 2 and x equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly, q equal to 1 upon y and y equal to value of q equal to 3. So then placing 3, y equal to 1 upon 3. In the same way, you get the value of x and y, x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. So in this, if equations are given in this form, then we reduce the equations in simply p and q in the other variable. Now we have taken another example, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4, and the second equation 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. Equation can be written in this form. Then you have to taken 10 into 1 upon x plus y equal to u or p, anything as you like, and 2 into 1 upon x minus y. Both the values are different, so one value will be u is equal to x minus x plus y and v will be taken x minus y. So how we take it? So you have taken u equal to, let u equal to 1 upon x plus y and v equal to 1 upon x minus y. In this form, the equation will reduce to u 10u plus 2v equal to 4. This will be the first equation. And change 4 in the left hand side, then it will be 10u plus 2v minus 4 equal to 0. It will be the first. In the similar way, the second equation will be 15u minus 5v and minus 2 will be positive. So 15u minus 5v plus 2 equal to 0. This is 2 equation, and these equation will be solving in the previous method. Find p and q, and in these questions find u and v simply by the cross multiplication method or substitution method. After getting u and v, put the value of u here and v here, then x plus y is equal to 1 upon the value of. Then after these equations, x plus y will be taken by any method, and in this form you get the value of x and y. So friends, today we have taken two methods, cross multiplication method and reducing equation to the linear equation in simplest form, and the method is complete. So by these methods you can solve your equations and get the required values. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video with new topic. Before that, I request to you, if you have any query regarding this topic, write to us in comment box and suggest us to betterment our video. Thank you for all for watching it.